Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most comprehensive carp fishing tackle kits on the market. The OROOTL Carp Fishing Tackle Kit Box, boasting a staggering 277 pieces of essential gear. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference between a good day and a great one out on the water. Let's explore why this kit stands out. First off, this kit includes everything a carp angler could need, neatly organized in a compact tackle box. From flat weights and shrink tubes to a variety of hooks and swivels, each item is designed for durability and practicality. The materials used are top-notch silicone and rubber components ensure longevity and resistance to corrosion. Perfect for enduring the rigors of carp fishing season after season. Let's talk practicality. Whether you're setting up pulley rigs or running ledgers, this kit has you covered. The translucent, compartmentalized box makes finding the right gear quick and easy, even in low light conditions. Plus, it's designed to be portable, fitting snugly into your fishing backpack or tackle bag without taking up too much space. Now, what sets this kit apart? Well, besides its comprehensive nature, it's also Amazon's choice for fishing tackle boxes. A testament to its popularity and positive reviews from anglers like you. Speaking of which, many users praise its value for money and the ease with which it enhances their fishing experience. It's not just a kit, it's a game changer. In conclusion, if you're looking to up your carp fishing game or searching for the perfect gift for an angler in your life, the OROOTL Carp Fishing Tackle Kit Box is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and fishing tips from Product Critique. Until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.